Hello, welcome to Android Application Development Tutorials. This is a series of tutorials. In these tutorial lessons, we will be starting from small applications to larger applications. Please follow all the lessons and try it out. In this tutorial, we will see how to develop a simple activity on an application. File new, choose Android project, give a name for the project. So the name given is Hello Android. Choose a target SDK for working it. Click next. You can choose a package name. If you wish, you can rename the activity to main. It is not compulsory. Go to Pack Explorer. Find the project Hello Android 1. Under SRC folder, you will be able to find your Java file, that is main.java. The main was the given name. By default, it must have been activity Hello Android 1 or something. So you have to find the Java file which is under the SRC folder. Open it. This is the activity. Activity represents the main entry screen, the GUI screen for the user. We have the GUI screen here. This is in r.layout.main. So R represents the resource. We have a resource layout here. This is the resource. We have something here. I am going to delete it. I will place a large text view here, and I am going to change the text value. An activity represents a single screen with user interface. This is the text which I have given for this activity. Just save it. In the main.java file, we have some imports, one for activity and another one for operating system, Android operating system bundle. And when this activity is created, just like the main method in C or C++ Java programs, onCreate method will be created when it is first created, when the object is first created. Because main is a class and it is extended from the activity class. And once when it is created for the first time, we will be using a method set content view. That means what content should be shown. That is there in r.layout.main. This is the one, r.layout.main. It is in the resource and we have a layout. The name of the file is main.xml. Save this file. We haven't done anything special on this. Even then save it and run it. Run it as an Android application. Now the text given in the text view component is displayed. An activity represents a single screen with a user interface. And here we have the name of the project. We can do this in a different way, little programmatically. This XML file, we have two different views. One is graphic layout and another one is XML view. This is the plain XML. Same thing is represented in two different ways. So I have deleted the text which was already there. Text view, this is the name of the component and the ID of the object is text view 1. And this is the text which is really going to display when it is appearing on the screen. So now there will be nothing on the screen because we have deleted the content here. We will see how to display it programmatic. Here in this activity, we can create an object for text view. We can give some name. I'm giving TV1. So we have created an object TV1 of the class from the class text view. So now we have to connect this TV1 with the text view 1 component in design, GUI design or in the XML design. What we have to do here is we have to find it TV1 equal to find view by ID r.id.text view 1. There is an error showing here. We have to go for a typecasting. We have to get the result into the type of text view. Now what we are doing, we are finding the resource from the r.id. The resource is view 1 and we are assigning that into the TV1 object of the text view class, and for the compatibility we are typecasting it. Now we have the text view 1, TV1. There are methods. Setting text, we have a method here. I'm going to set the text. The text is set here programmatically. So just we have created an object and we have initialized the object with the component which is there in the XML design, and we set the text. The result of the program will be the same, as there is nothing given. The component is totally invisible. This is the text view component. There is nothing, only space is given, and its ID is text view 1, and there is a text value, nothing other than a little space. Now we can save the application. It's already saved, and we can run it. This is giving the text. An activity represents a single screen with a user interface. So this text is got displayed from this set text method. So now we have seen how to set some text view programmatically. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to click like. Please subscribe the channel. I'll be uploading more videos. And please post your valuable comments on the channel page. Wish you a wonderful and successful day. Bye.